Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Do you want to build your own smart chatbot that actually knows your content? In this video, I'll show you how to create your first Botpress agent with a custom knowledge base and prompts so you can ask it anything and it answers intelligently. So let's just dive in. First, let me tell you here, uh, as our first agent will make a chatbot which will have its own knowledge base and a prompt which will be given to that agent, and then we will ask questions to the agent and it will answer from that knowledge base. Okay, so you have to just search for beauty WordPress and you will see this first website of WordPress. You have to just click it and there will be option of sign in or sign up. So you will just sign up and then sign up with Google or GitHub, and then you'll see this interface. Okay, so this first one is home. Here you can create a bot. Okay, so remember, in your free trial you can just create a single bot. Okay, one bot, not more than that. Below this there is integration part. So here you can see, you will be able to see the integrations, like the integrations of your WordPress to other services, okay, like Slack, WhatsApp or else. Okay, here below you will see the usage, how much the usage you have used till now. Okay, so this is my new account. Here I didn't have any usage for now, but for demonstration purposes I can show you one for my another WordPress account. Here you can see the usage, it rose to 0.40 cents. And then you can see bot count. I made one bot and it's the just I am able to just create one bot, just, or I already made one. And here I spent how much I spent on it, and then messages or events of the agent, and then file storage. I used 1.1 MB of storage out of 100 MB, and the table rows, two of the 1K tables, and then vector databases I used 34.2 KB of 100 MB database. So this is the usage. Now here, so here this is billing size section, and then settings. You will be able to change the name of workspace. So let's just come to home. So first you will be able to, you have to come here. So just come to home and then click on the here create bot, and you can give any name to this bot. My first bot, then press create button. Now let's wait for it to be completed. Here you can see chatbot created. Okay, so there is a button to open it in Studio. So you can directly open it in Studio by clicking it, or there is another way also. I come to home and then click on this my first bot, and then here edit in Studio. There are two ways to open it. Okay, here after clicking on edit in Studio, this page will appear. You have to just as you are using current plan, which consists of one bot. Okay, so you have to just click here, and then this interface will be opened. So you have to just click here in the workflows, and after coming here in the workflow, this is the workflow of your bot. Okay, so first we'll just zoom it out, and then here this is start and this autonomous node. Okay, these are the instructions that will be given to the agent. Okay, we'll just edit these instructions. Okay, control all, back, we'll give it our own instructions. Okay, I just copied the instructions. Okay, these are the instructions. I will give the bot. Okay, your Archibot helpful knowledgeable assistant for archivaldesigns.com website. Your job is to guide customers towards the answer for the frequently asked questions. Okay, this is what we give our agent an instruction, and then now we have to add the knowledge base. And in order to add the knowledge base, we have to just click on this search knowledge base. Okay, and then from here we have to select all knowledge base. Okay, then after here we have to come here. Okay, you have to click here, and then here you can add the knowledge base for the agent. It will be in form of a website, okay, a document. Okay, it can be HTML, PDF, TXT, etc. It can be form of table, web search, Notion, or in form of you can directly type down knowledge. Okay, so for my case I'll give it a document which is in PDF form. I'll select it and then press confirm. Keep in mind your document is well structured. Okay, so let's come here, the downloads. Let me show you my document. So here you can see there are questions, and for each question there is an answer. Okay, so you can see it's in structured. Okay, for each question there is an answer in front of it. So this is the here you can see this is the knowledge base which has been added for the agent. Just come back here in the workflows and then here zoom it out, and then here let's just test it. Okay, here uh, here you can see, feel free to ask me any questions about archival designs. Okay, let's just ask any question. This one, show me farmhouse plans with open kitchens. Okay, here you can see the answer it gave us. Great choice. I'll find farmhouse style plans that feature open concept kitchens. Let me pull those up for you. Here you can see the same answer it gave us. Okay, let's give it another, this one. Is plan F609B available? Let's just see. I couldn't find plan F609B specifically, but we do have F609A available. Would you like to see that one instead? Just see, double check. Here you can see it gave us the right answer. Okay, so it basically searched from the knowledge base. We provided it from this knowledge base which is in the PDF form, and then gave us the answers accordingly. So here in the here from here you can just easily test it. Okay, and when you find it is working fine, you can publish it. Okay, by clicking this publish button, or you can share if you wanted to share it with any other your group member or anyone else. You can just click on this share button, and there will be a link, shareable link. You can just copy this link, and then you will be able to share this link with another user, and using this link he will be able to access this. Okay, these are the tables. If you wanted to add some tables in it, okay, these are further actions you wanted to take. Other agents, okay, hooks, install integrations. You can use all these integrations: OpenAI, Notion, Grok, Google AI, Firefox AI, Anthropic. These are all the integrations you can also use with this agent. Okay, let's come here into the workflows. So this is the workflow. Look how easy it is to make. So this is just for today, and if you have any question anywhere, you can ask me in the comment section. This is just for today. We'll meet in the next video. Okay, bye bye, take care.